Hi guys, whenever we get injured, we use ice pack, of course. So in this video, I'm going to show you review and demo of ice pack from the brand called Boldfit. So this ice pack has MRP of rupees 699, but we get this one from Amazon at 199. It is made up of rubberized fabric, which is claimed to be waterproof. We will figure that out. And the product dimensions are 18 by 8 by 8 centimeter. It weighs 75 gram and 7.5 inches in size. It looks stylish, it has a donut shape and it's available in multiple color options. It is suitable for both hot and cold water and we will try both. So let's try cold therapy first. To use, fill it till 2/3 of its capacity with ice cubes or crushed ice. The cap is quite large, it has a wide mouth for easy filling of ice. Cold therapy decreases the blood flow where it is applied and it helps reducing inflammation. It's most useful when it is used for acute injuries and pain. And this generally works best when it is used for 10-15 minutes until the swelling goes away. My little one plays professional tennis and he often complains about the ankle pain. So this one helped him a lot. And this bag easily holds cold water till 30 minutes. Coming to the hot therapy, again fill it up 2/3 of its capacity with the hot water and it can be used for period cramps also. It has a good heat holding capacity. It lasts for 30-40 minutes. It is designed in such a way that it doesn't leak through the cloth or the lid. The surface you are applying doesn't get wet. And heat therapy improves the blood flow to the area where the heat is applied. It is suitable best for muscle pain or stiffness on the skin, whereas in the cold therapy you may feel a little bit of moisture on the skin. It's because of the condensation. There is no leakage. It's very handy and very useful product. Product quality is good and the price range is also okay. Hope it's gonna last long. So that was all about it. Hope you find the video useful. Subscribe for more such videos.